this lesson, you will learn about the following. What is adaptation? Adaptation in animals living in different habitats, adaptations in animals having different feeding habits, and adaptations in animals for protection. Every animal needs a natural environment to survive. The home or natural environment of a living thing is called its habitat. In the natural world, the body systems of living things get modified to suit their surroundings for survival. These modifications are called adaptations. Based on the habitat, animals are grouped as terrestrial animals, aquatic animals, amphibians, arboreal animals, and aerial animals. The animals that live on land are called terrestrial animals. Let us see how terrestrial animals have adapted to their surroundings. Deer, bison, lion and zebra, etc. are some terrestrial animals. All these animals have strong legs to walk around. They can also run fast. They also have well-developed lungs to breathe. Animals like snakes do not have legs to move around. They crawl with the help of scales on their bodies. Terrestrial animals like camels live in desert areas. Since food and water is not easily available in desert areas, camels store fat in their humps. This fat can be converted into water when needed. Camels can also drink about 10 buckets of water at a time. They have thick skin which protects them from the heat of the sun. Thick skin also prevents loss of water by evaporation. The camels have broad and padded feet so that they can walk comfortably on hot sand. Animals living in extremely cold areas such as polar bear, Arctic fox, seal, etc. have thick fur on their bodies to protect them from chilling cold. Some land animals like frogs, lizards and snakes cannot tolerate the winter season. They hide themselves in cozy places showing very little activity. This is called hibernation. Some animals such as land snails, land crabs, crocodiles and salamanders show very little activity when the temperature of their surroundings rises. To escape from excess heat, they hide themselves in dark and shady areas. This process is called estivation. Animals like fishes, crabs, turtles and prawns live in water and are called the aquatic animals. Fishes have fins to help them swim, waterproof scales to protect their body from rotting in water, and gills to breathe the air dissolved in water. Adaptation in aquatic animals. Aquatic birds like ducks have webbed feet to swim and long and flat, broad beaks to help them get food in mud. Cranes and flamingos have long legs to help them wade in water. Frogs, newts, toads and salamanders live on land as well as in water. Their legs help them move on land as well as swim in water. They breathe through their skin when in water and through the lungs when on land. Animals like monkeys and squirrels live on land but spend most of their time on trees. Such animals are called arboreal animals. Monkeys use their tail and long arms for swinging on trees from one branch to another. Arboreal animals also have claws to support them while climbing. Some animals have spines or plates to prevent slipping. Birds fly through the air. They are called aerial animals. Birds have light, air-filled hollow bones which make their body light and wings with feathers to help them fly. Their bodies have a streamlined shape to cut through the air. Bats also have wings to fly, but they are not birds. They are the only mammals that can fly. We will now discuss adaptations in animals having different feeding habits. According to the type of food they eat, animals are herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, and parasites. Herbivores have sharp cutting teeth at the front and flat grinding teeth at the back. They have a long digestive system with special enzymes to digest the fibers present in the plant food. Carnivores have long sharp teeth or beaks to tear flesh. Some carnivores need to run very fast to catch their prey. Such animals have very strong legs. Carnivores have a shorter digestive system as they do not need to digest the plant fibers. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals are called omnivores. Bears, crows, pigs, cockroaches, and humans are omnivorous animals. They are not specifically adapted to eat and digest either animal or plant food material. They eat a mix of animal and plant food. Some animals that live on or inside the bodies of other animals to obtain their food are called parasites. Fleas, lice, bugs, etc. are all parasites which live on the body of other animals and suck their blood. The tapeworm, roundworm, liver fluke, etc. live inside the body of humans and other animals. In some animals like grasshopper and polar bear, the color or pattern of the skin is the same as that of their surroundings, and thus it is difficult to spot these animals easily as they merge with their surroundings. This is called camouflage. Zebras, tigers, and leopards have strips or spots which help them camouflage with their surroundings in forests. A chameleon changes its color according to its surroundings. This protects the chameleon as well as helps it catch insects without being noticed. Most of the terrestrial animals like lions, deer, tigers protect themselves by running very fast.